Alrighty then, mic check, mic check.
Nasdaq on the fives.
Are we live? For some reason, not showing me the screen. Oh, there it is. Alright, we should be good. Okay, I just took a loss, and now I am getting short though. Here we go. Yes, there we go. Push it into, got a double dot red coming in on NQ. Let's come down here. Screen 5. So I tried to get long right here, and then red dot came in. I was a little bit nervous on it. Took a loss after the second one came in. So I've got a double dot short with a PRZ. Here we go. Let's finish this out here. I'm hearing sellers. I'm going to add to position, try to make a little bit back off of that loss.
On the twos.
We've got space in between to the king. I've got red dot up here. We've got red on the MACV. And there we go. Get there. I'm going to take some off right here. Get in there. Get a little deeper. Come on. You got two or three bars of space here. Let's go. All right, a little bit of an odd way to start the stream here. And we've got YM also looking like we've got a turning point up top. I'm going to get short on YM down to this king timing line. Blue dot bound below. Let's scroll back to a show all screen. Sorry, we're jumping right into things here this afternoon. YM up top here. NQ down below. That's okay. I'm going to have to take some off right there.
Target filled. Okay,
we're inside the PRZ and we're moving up off of that king spot. I'm going to push this down just a little bit for my final two targets there. We've got big white cross up here. We've got big moon coming in and looks like a shifting turn. MACV's turned red right there. ES is giving a nice big fat pivot as well. We've got space down below us to all the way down. Look how big that would be. 35, 46s all the way to that spot if we're going to go. Yikes, this one's turning up on me. Might give me an opportunity to add to. I'm going to give this a little shot to add. We're on double king timing on NQ. Oof. Give me a red. There's my red. Add to position here. See if we can get back down to that PRZ. If not, I'll be taking a loss above these dots above. YM all of a sudden decided to stand still. Yikes.
Exit.
Oh, dadgummit. Did you really come all the way up here to the line? Trade 1 and trade 2.
Exit.
Oh, schnikes. Drop it.
Exit.
Alright, dadgummit. So basically turn that into a nothing play. Wow, look how strong that came up and off of that PRZ. Didn't even wiggle in there. Yowzers. And we shifted back to green. So, man, that was a tough one. Okay, YM. Go up to the top mid here. So, MACV, solid green here, but this looks like a big pivot shift right now. And I'm going to give this a shot short here. I might have just gotten in the wrong spot. All of a sudden, we've paused here and might be in a little bit of some trouble. That double cross, double move, it's almost perfect up to that spot right there. Let's measure it out. Yeah, look at that, perfect. Gold line right there, boom, full load, and we release I've been in here a little bit earlier, might have been able to do something more with that. We got the white cross up top, likely the shifting point. So we can be looking for shorts here. Wow, look at that NQ. Holy cow. So I went long right here on the green dot. Then red came in, came down. I got basically closed out right here, went short. And then we got in this spot, got a few targets off, but then, I mean, this thing yoinked all the way up and literally ate all my profits on that trade. Man, that was a powerful move out of there. All right, king timing. Let's see what comes in here on NQ. If we've got this is going to be an accumulation zone. See how thick this has been so far? Watch and wait up for this. Come back to my YM trade here. Wow, we just all of a sudden got to a standstill. I might have just gotten in just at the wrong spot. Watching this NQ, I've got my finger over the buttons here. Push one out to that PRZ. Okay, white cross just came in on NQ, right at king timing. Where's my PRZ? This looks like we would have a shot here for... Okay, I'm gonna get long here on a Plover play on NQ. White cross just came in off of a big fat straight leg. I'm gonna show all here. Where's the show all button? All. Okay. So Plover play. Open line right up above. Stop needs to be below that cross. Yikes. We're gonna touch of cells here. I'm gonna add right here. Inside the cross, I can still add. I can always close out. And remember, I can always re-enter. Come to the bottom of the cross. Yikes. Okay. Plover play, not gonna work. Pick it up just a hair for me. Come on now. Come on now. Pick it up. There we go. Okay. Added deep into my cross here. We had a PRZ right up here before. It did break, so Plover play is kind of over, but we have the open line and the high of day right there. Let's see if we get that push now. Straight leg into a white cross. Tends to get a little bit of a continuation. It's very rare for that to be just boom, perfect little, cross and turn. But we'll see. Right there on that king timing on the fives. Push one runner out here to the top. We've got some spots up here, up top, if we keep going. Out there. Okay, right there at the open. Let's put it right on the open line. Oh, dadgummit, don't turn down. All right, hold on. I gotta lock in. I'm gonna pull my stops up and in. And if I'm wrong, I don't wanna be big wrong. Got a half position here. Alright, I don't know what's going on with this YM play. She is not moving. Turn that one into a scalp. Didn't go anywhere. I'm gonna concentrate on my NQ here. Trade 3. So get up there. There we go. Come on, add into position here. Push up. Small target with some size. Out to the open line there. Wow, it literally looks like YM. I mean, I had to check YM to make sure that the data was still coming in. YM looks like it is at a complete standstill. It is like somebody hit the pause button. Get up there. Get up there. I'm gonna do my little bid trick here.
Target filled. Target
Okay, there goes YM. YM finished out. Basically didn't get nothing on that. About $60. Get up there. There we go. We're starting to pump. We're starting to pump. Get up in there. Come on. Get in there. Come on.
Target
there we
filled.
go. Push the open. Push the open. Let's go. Push
Target
it. Thank
filled.
you. There's that PRZ up there. I'm going to put my targets right there on the PRZ. Right in front of that PRZ. Stack them up. For the Plover play. Let's go. There's that open. We touched it. Just touched the open. Oh,
Good dot.
don't you turn. Dadgummit. Alright, we're taking some off here in the pink dot. Get up in there to that Plover, dadgummit. Ay. Green. Obey the pink dots. Push me right back to my open line here. I'm very doubtful we just push straight down here. I'm going to try to work this as accumulation zone. Got a few bars too large. Push up there. Push up there. Get up in there. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Because I'm getting heavy here, I need to lock in my risk here. Right back behind the cross. If we break down below that cross, I will close out the position for a loss. Get up in there. Get up in there. Come on, plenty of space to the
Target
king. Let's go.
filled.
There's the
Target
open, touching the
filled.
open again. There we go, there we go,
Target
there we go.
filled.
Give me that accumulation zone around that open. Get it. Push it. Get in there. Today again, very slow day. Slow yesterday too. Remember I've told you guys before, around the open line tends to be, we've got this zone, right? And look at the top. Top of the zone is here, bottom of the zone is here. See what's in the middle? Right there. There's the open, right? So we've got this area right here. We tend to, when we come back to this spot, we'll do this. Come on. Put 2 out there just in case we do. We go straight to it. It's awesome. Sometimes that happens. Especially when it's going this slow like this, you'll hear, can you just hear people saying things in other rooms being like, oh, and he's having a hard time getting through right here. I think we're done. Okay, now. So they're probably hitting shorts right here, right? A bunch of people, a bunch of retailers trying to get short right there. Perfect time to play into them. Okay, right there, that just probably tempted a bunch of people to hit the sell button. I'm gonna use my little bid trick here. We can make a little bit more out of this play. Okay, a bunch of people are gonna hit the short button right there, right? They're all like, oh, we got to the open. They're all gonna be punching sell right there. Now, broken clock is right twice a day, so let's have to be that, right? No guarantee we're going up here. But I'm gonna place my bet that we are. RTY 8s. Here we go. I heard a little bit of some buyers. Come on, buyers, start stepping in now. I'm not talking about retailers. I want to see some bots start to pick that up and push. Come on, come on. You know you're playing the open. Let's go. Up in there. Go, you can feel it. Come on, double that little move right there. That'll complete out the majority of my contracts. I'll be super happy. Come on, do it. Get there. It's that up grinder. There we go, baby. There we go. There we go. Come on. You got some more in you. Go. Grind it up. Grind it up. You know a bunch of people pressing short right there. Wreck them.
Target.
Get up in there. Get it.
Target.
Get it.
Filled.
Let's go. Push. 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 Yeah, I think we're going to go. Let's go. Let's go. Get up there. The break of a pink dot right there. My little bid trick. We're breaking the pink dot. Let's go. Breaking the pink. Trying to maximize what we get out of this play here. Such a grinder. Here in the buyers. That should tempt a lot more people to try to get short right there. People feeling like this move is overdone. They're going to try to get short right there. You can tell the speed, the grinder. We're going to talk about, I think I probably should do a video on that to do an update on the racquetball play to understand.
Fib dot.
Oh,
Nasdaq,
shibits. Okay, never mind. I'm not pressing the luck on that. Never mind. Right as I'm saying that. It was at this moment he knew. I got my finger over the close. Just push me up just a little bit. I'll close out here on double pink. I'm not insane. I'm crazy. But I have not reached levels of insanity yet. Come on. There. You're not just. Ah. I'm gonna close it. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Yikes, that is a double pink. That changes my mind. Definitely did not think that was coming. Yikes. Okay. I mean, it's very tempting to get short right there, but we've got, I mean, we're right here on the open line. Are we really gonna push straight down? I don't know. Look at YM. Is YM literally still sitting right there?
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the twos.
We've got two harmonics right here. Is that what we're gonna push into here? On, get up in there.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos. Harmonic pattern.
Okay.
Nasdaq on the twos.
Harmonic, there's a second one. Yikes. Okay, so maybe I should have gone ahead and gotten short right there. And that's what I get for trying to predict. Giant delta here. I doubt we're going straight down. Looks a bit like a jackknife. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding in right here. See if we can push back up a little bit. Will be trade 4. I mean, we just touched the open. I'm doubtful we're just dropping out here. We're right at the open line. Second time we've come into this zone.
Nasdaq
there we go. Get up in there. Let's go. Get up in there. Gotta respect the pink here. We're right back at the open line. Get it.
Target.
Thank you very much. Okay. King timing line. Are we gonna keep going? King timing. Let me hear some buyers. Wow, this is torturously slow. Oh my word. YM, look at YM. YM still sitting right there. Hasn't hardly budged at all. Oh, as I'm saying it, oh shoot. Not buyers, I'm hearing sellers. Is it gonna be followed up? Let's see. Okay, YM's putting in a PRZ right there. Fortress.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
Okay. YM putting in, we got a green dot around a PRZ up top. Are we greens? Oh, MACV is just now shifting. We're just in a very, very difficult spot right here. I'm on trade number 5. I've got one left. I want to make it a good one here. Right into double blues from before. But oftentimes we're not going to just shoot straight. We'll probably accumulate first before a move if we were going to get the whole thing. Tough. We are just grinding down. So
Nasdaq
I'm expecting that we
Tuesday.
continue down. We've got a PRZ down there, but I need to get an entry for that first. I don't want to just jump it. We got final trade coming up here. Don't want to try to get short on this YM. Very difficult spot. We need, that would have been awesome up there, obviously. Hindsight. That one wouldn't be too bad, although that probably took 40 forevers even just to get to that spot there. But the way that you see how the speed, what are we doing? We are slow motioning down, right? So we will likely continue that grind. We just need an entry. All right, we're right at the top of the hour here. We have a PRZ down below us there. We could technically take a break of that green dot, but this is such a big extended move there. I mean, it's very, very small target, maybe 8 ticks to that PRZ. I would want to see that break though. We've got gold line. I'm not sure what that gold line is from. I don't think that's the open, is it? I need to remove some of those. I don't want to remove it now. I need to do that afterwards. I am torturously slow. Such a good song. This is taking 40 forevers, so we forgot at the very beginning. Make sure that we are remembering that trading is risky, all that kind of good stuff. Educational purposes only, all that good jazz. Trading is risky, blah, 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 blah.
Fib dot. Nasdaq.
Man,
on
I'm
Tuesday.
kicking myself for that NQ. I was getting too cocky about that play. Look what happened. That double pink dot. That double pink dot was the play to the short side. Dadgummit. Look at that. Y'all see that? Oh my word. That would have been tough when it came back up to that spot though. I really thought we were gonna keep pushing. Man, I was wrong. I was wrong. Just follow the system, Vinny. Stop trying to guess, bruh. Just follow the signals. Why don't I just take the double pink dot, Vinny? I can hear people screaming at me right now. Yeah. I should have just taken the double pink. Stupid. The way it was grinding up, I mean, again, I always I tell you guys on a grind, I want to keep going, right? Wow. YM, I mean, still, YM looks like such a great play
Fib dot.
here.
Nasdaq on the Tuesday.
Having to wait. Just having to wait. Man, that's a juicy PRZ down there, but this is so slow. Oh my word. I'm thinking about just tossing in the towel here. I got one more trade, maybe a bonus, but wow. This is not an easy day, right? We've talked about this before, right? The easier days are gonna have some speed. This is not an easy day. This is a day where, you know, look, if it weren't for a contest, I'd probably just be walking away today, waiting until I hear, oh, we get a red dot here? Okay, might be my only shot here. It's pretty high up there. Okay, I'm gonna put on a little bit of risk here. Go quarter position. PRZ for the target. Try to get too greedy with that. Front run it a little bit, front and behind. And that is a line from before. I'm pretty sure this is as well. That's not the open line. Let me add OHL on this one.
Fib dot, Nasdaq, on the 2s.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? There it is, current day OHL. Where's the open? Nah, see, I think I thought so. Okay, open is way down there. All right, yeah, that's not the open line. Way down there. It's way off my chart. That's why I couldn't see it. I'm gonna keep it down to 5s. Let me save workspace real quick. Workspace, save workspace. This is so slow. I mean, okay, let's use this as an example here to talk about. All right, let me save workspace twice. Save it as backup. Save as contest backup. There we go. Okay. Here we go. Herein some cells. Break that green. Okay, we're breaking it. Let's go into the PRZ. Not going to try to do much out of this. Trade number 5. Starting to finally get a little bit of some speed here. Getting some sellers. So this is what I listen for, right? We can just wait around until we hear audio barks starting to kick. First time I've heard it kick. Oh, there we go. Get down there. I got my finger over the close. I'm just going to close it. I'm going to close it right there. I'm just taking that as trade 5. Holy cow. Okay, let's just use this as an example here on the speed today. We basically touched it. We've got a medium here. This is not my type of day. I don't like the speed. Much more difficult type of speed day. So listen, do you hear the audio box going off right now? No, right? Listen, it's almost been silent this entire time. All you hear is music and me gabbing away and complaining about how slow this is. So these are the days. I'll just wait. Like, you don't have to play. Now, I'm in a spot where obviously, you know, I'm kind of forced into trading right now because, you know, we're doing this whole trading contest thing. But outside of that, I mean, I would just be chilling. Just wait. Just wait around. But good day to listen in. Wait for it. Right? Grind, we keep going. If we go fast into an area, that tends to mean we will probably get a nice little reversal bounce. If we're grinding into a spot, you know, expect continuation. Of course, now that didn't work for me too well on NQ, right? Let's talk about NQ. Let's come back down to screen 5 here. So main screen here. I mean, yes, we went fast in this area. Then we just pause, right? Super pause. This is a pushing probe play, right? I got a little greedy trying to continue to hold this out. I mean, when I saw 2 pink dots, I should have gone ahead and started getting short there. I was stuck to my bias. That was a problem. That, you know, I'm still thinking we're going up. and that was a problem. I mean, I maybe could have gotten my way out of that, but look, no, we end up breaking down. Just, you know, double pink dot there. That's a tough one. But normally, look, if those hadn't shown up, let's pretend for just a moment those didn't show up, right? That grindy speed as we're kind of coming up into this area, we are likely, oftentimes, going to continue, you know, on up and up and up and up through that area. I don't know if there's any other cue here that I missed particularly. Not really. I mean, you could have seen this is just basically a crap zone basically all day. Look, all the way from 10:30 in queue, being in this tight of a zone. Really good cue that today's not going to be the best day. The only awesome play here today was Sharks, looks like. Shark off the back of this, you get target 1 with an HMD, so hopefully some people caught that earlier today. That was 11 o'clock. Possibly a replay right there. Yeah. That's tough. Would you get target 1 on that?
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq
No,
on the 5.
yeah, you do. Okay, you get target 1, but barely to the front of that one. What time was that? That was 10:20. Can't play that one because of the time. Can you play this one? Nope, you can't even really play that red dot because it's 10:27. You guys can't see the time because my stuff's covering it up down there. Can you, let's see. Yeah, shark back play. Shark back play, pretty much the only great play of the day. What time was that? You would have been playing at 1 o'clock, so around the lunch hour. Back of the shark play would have come within like 3 ticks of a stop. Shark back, boom, target 1. I mean, you're probably going to expect an accumulation. You're still probably only going to get target 1 just because you've seen the rest of the day there. But that was the only continuation play that went fully to a full exit target that would have been down to there. The rest of the day, look at this. I mean, this is in queue, folks. This is the fastest market we have, and this is what it did. Again, lots of signs here that could just tell you it was going to be trouble. Early morning, let's see. What happened early morning? Oh, early morning players might have had some opportunities there. Blue dot, huge push. Second blue dot, nothing though. Look at that. A double dot play would have gotten you wrecked there at right at the open, 9:35. If you go double dot, you're gonna get in trouble. You try the blue dot, also trouble. Today was probably a tricky day there for the morning. Is this a shark? No, it's a cipher. So you can't play. This is not a shark back. This is just a cipher, and there's no other dots or anything in it, right? Although it's a multi-PRZ. So multi-PRZ here could take this to the long side, targeting maybe right back up to the open line. But look, nope, break down. That would have been a stop out. So hold multi-PRZ, you're getting in long here, you're stopping out right there at the bottom of the PRZ. Not a lot of great plays. That comes into a 50 cent. But look, it's a naked 50 cent. There's nothing but a 50 cent harmonic play right there at, and what time was it? 10:20, another one you have to avoid. Today was a very troublesome day, folks. You can just tell. Green dot, yeah, and then this just begins the internal grind. Tough one. So then you try to take a HMD right there. Was that 11 o'clock? Ends up, yeah. I mean, that's not going to give you target 1. That's not. So just a lot of difficulty today. There are going to be days like this where, you know, this is not going to be a day where we can walk away in positive most of the time. And again, of course, those were the 8s. So again, there's definitely small trades in there, but like basically a lot of T1s, 5s. Any crosses to help play? Oh, here we go. Maybe this one back here. Double dot blue. I have 500 bars here. I can't go back farther than that. Let's go ahead and do one day here. I don't care if we crash at this point. Listen, I still don't hear anything coming in. Is this amazing or what? By amazing, I mean garbage.
Delta by
so,
building.
Double dot play, maybe. Double dot at 10:36. Double dot, power dot. But then you only get, I mean, that's as far as you go. You exit on red, so that's fine. Are there any other good plays here from the morning? Yeah, you guys tell me down below if you guys had problems with today. Okay, maybe a nice J-hook play up to target 1. Oh, double cross, double move. Okay, so early morning players, you guys had a good play right here, am I right? How many people took this? And I should have marked this, so I should have gone back a little bit farther. Look at this. So that is a major line. Did that help out anywhere today? Yeah, right there with that shark. That shark back becomes very, very easy. But double cross, double move from the morning. We boom up. We got the double cross. This was early morning. You'd have to be in at 8. This starts at 8:47. So early birds this morning got a gift of the double cross, double move. But you have to play that for 37 minutes.
Fib dot.
Now, mind you, this is the 5s, right? So the 5s, you know you're going to have to hold longer. So if you prepare yourself mentally for that one, that's the best play of the day, and you'd have to start it early morning. Tough day today. Not going to get a lot out of a day like today. Then double dot right there fails. I mean, you get a double dot long. So if you try to get double dot right there, almost immediately breaks on you, stops you out on that one. Nothing you can do with that cross there. And if there was a PRZ down here, probably try to take that as a plover. You get wrecked. I mean, again, on a plover, like, what's your stop? It's that. So you're risking half a cross for the stop out, but you do end up stopping out. On a retry, if you were to get in on a retry right here, pushes back up, stops you out again. I mean, there's basically nothing here today at all. Just a very, very difficult day. But this is why we have 5 trades, folks. Like, you're not going to get wrecked on that. So you get this double dot play here. Oh, there's another double dot right here. Double dot right here. But you end up, would you replay that? I mean, that's a tough one. If you had already had a tough day prior to this, are you really going to replay this double dot? If you just follow the rules, though, again, that's why I tell people, like, this. If you just relentlessly follow the rules. So trade 1, you're trying to go up, stop out, we come back up and in, double try. Yes, you get a good play out of this double dot, you get a good play out of this double dot. But man, what a tough day here. There's a double dot play red, but would you have really gotten short right there? MACV was probably green with a move up like this. So do you really get short right there? Probably not. But double dot players were the only ones really making money today. Double dot up to there. Double red dot, boom. Take it off into the PRZ. Headshot, maybe. What time was this? 12:36. You get a headshot long. Maybe, but then you see a red dot right there. So you're basically trying to get in headshot long. You see red dot, you might close out the position. I mean, it's such a tough day. You can just tell. And even for myself, I'm not, really didn't get anywhere.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the wave.
This is my only play. I mean, this is a good play here. This one, we had some speed right there into the spot, but wow. I mean, could I have predicted that was just going to rocket up just on a bat? Oh. Tough one. I mean, it does look like a J-hook. It looks like a perfect J-hook. In fact, if I measure that out, I bet you, yeah, it's probably a perfect J-hook. Hindsight 2020. Okay, perfect J-hook. And straight up to target 1. Yeah, I mean, it's a perfect J-hook. Trap. J, boom. Just very, very difficult day from speed. Speed is the main thing that makes that torturous. Oh, is it not going to let me remove that? There we go. I do need to remove all my other stuff too. So today I'm going to catch up before I close out here and remove a bunch of drawing objects, old drawing objects and stuff like that on all my charts, since that was a tougher day. Let's see where we're at in the trading contest. What's today's date? The 25th. All right, let's bring over our trade performance window here. 25th. All right, so how my profit factor? So profit factor kind of saved me. It did not feel like the stats look here because of the time. Let's see how long that time hold was. Yeah, 4 minutes. That is the longest we've had in this trading contest on average. Longer hold time.
Nasdaq
75% profit factor 2.2. So not too bad from that perspective. We walk away with a win, but definitely could have been a problem. Let's look at the trading contest. Let's go back to July the 5th, where we started this crazy thing. We are over 40K now. Awesome freaking work. 63% profitable, 2.4 on that profit factor. Again, average hold time, see, is 2.8. So today we almost doubled the amount of hold time on our trades. Let's do some analysis. There's the hill we're climbing. I saw Ross had a pretty good day today. He crushed it. I think he doubled my profits today. So congratulations to Warrior Trading and Ross Cameron. I'm always worried. Again, he's a YOLO player. He's going to start getting big. It's just how he does things. Got to be careful on that. Yeah, there's our days. We've had 4 losing days during the trading contest so far. Let's look at our max drawdown. Still staying pretty steady with that. Again, those will increase as you increase your size in your account. And to the standard point, right? We're gonna reach a spot where we get to our full size account here shortly in about $8,000. I'll be at my normal 50K account size, and at that point this may get slightly deeper. Max risk at any time is going to be 5%. We're not going to risk more than that on any given day. And of course, 5 trades, it's kind of hard to hit that unless you're just really doing something stupid if you're following our rules. So let's go to cumulative max drawdown. I don't know if that's any more helpful. It's pretty much the same thing. We looked at that. Let's look at, time of day. So half hour, I still like the half hour. So half hour of the day, point of entries there. Again, not too bad. Again, end of day, this is where I pretty much play most of the time. Just happens to do with my personal schedule, and not that our trading strategy doesn't work in the morning. In fact, the mornings, if I've been playing the mornings, probably would have been better at this time. You can trade 2 sessions with our system. I only trade 1 right now just because of family situations and wife pregnant, kids doing homeschool, all that kind of stuff. It's a beautiful thing about the freedom of our system too, though. It gives you that freedom of time. Oh, day of week. Pretty standard across the boards. Wednesday still a standout.
Harmonic pattern.
And
Nasdaq on the Tuesday.
yeah, we'll see. If you guys got any other questions, hook it up down there below. Don't forget, September the 1st, all of our gold goes away. I think you guys are going to miss out. If you don't get the gold right now, you will wish you had gotten it when you hear about all the cool stuff that we've got with gold right now. If you do get in, we are including not 1, not 2 robots like we were. I am including 3 robots. We're going to call it the bot pack. And that bot pack is going to include 3 robots. It's going to be Lunchbot. It's going to be 2-finger salute, and I believe the 3rd is going to be headshot. I'm kind of debating on that. You guys maybe tell me if we want some Delta Play, HMD, or headshot. I think that headshot is pretty freaking cool. I don't know. You guys tell me. You guys which one would you guys like to see on full auto included in it? This is literally going to be, what do we got, 5 days? So 5 days till the end of the month, and I am going to include 3 robots for those who are jumping in right now. We're going to call that the bot pack. The Holy Grail trifecta there that'll include, because I think the headshot is cool because it's going to include, it's got the power of the dot, it's got the power of the crosses combined. So I think that's a good one. Then you've got the uniqueness of the 2-finger salute, and then Lunchbot, which of course is just the lunch hour scenario. So each of those is a completely different type of robot, but I hope you guys enjoy that. We'll be doing more videos around those as well as we move into September and we release the new website. But again, gold is going away. Lifetime access is gone. There will be yearly subscriptions and all that, and it will cost you more in the future, but it's okay. It'll still be there. You'll just have to buy them separately. The audio box room and myself being on the microphone also will not be included. That will be a separate thing as we go into September. So if you guys want it all included, final chance, and we're doing the Black Friday offer, which is always the best of the year, plus an additional $1,000 off. We've never done that before, and we'll never do it again. And yes, that sounds like a sales pitch. I am just speaking facts to you. You guys do with it what you want, and call me a shill all you want as well. It won't matter at the end of the day. Results matter. Thanks for hanging out, folks. For me, Bippy, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and the rest of the gang. Don't forget to follow us over here and here and here. And if you want to learn how we do what we do, you're going to be right here in our Discord chat. And don't forget about Trump.
Okay.
Yeah?
I love it.
Ah, me too, Trump. I will catch you guys on the flip side. Let's send out the big H-Town. See ya.
Delta cell building.
In a world of scammers and shammers, there arose one demigod to wreck them all, making trading great again.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the twos.